If you don't speak up for yourself, people will walk all over you. If you don't stand up for yourself, you may allow others to mock you, to disrespect you, or to insult you. If you don't speak up for yourself, remember, no one is going to speak for you. Hello everyone, welcome to English with Sreyashi. I am a homemaker. Here I am improving my communication skills and overcoming a shy personality. In today's video, I am going to talk about the importance of speaking up for yourself. So let's get started. In my childhood, my mom always used to teach me that always be polite, don't argue with anyone, don't quarrel with any people. And I also learned the same thing. I did not used to fight unnecessarily with anyone. If there is something very serious, that time I used to argue. As a mother, I need to go to different places with my son. And there I need to deal with different people. And this journey taught me something very important, which is how to deal with people. Yes, earlier I used to feel that only one way of dealing people is to be just nice, polite and kind and speak very softly. But the more I start becoming nice and calm and polite, people started taking advantages of my kindness. They never thought twice before taunting or mocking because they know that you are not able to answer to them. So I started feeling really bad for myself. And I used to feel that what if I tell them that their words were not right? What if I lose those people? There was a fear that was actually stopping me from replying. But finally, I decided that I will speak for myself. At the beginning, it was not easy. It was tough because I was not used to doing all these things. I was not used to dealing arguments. So it was very tough for me. At the beginning, I set boundaries just by staying silent. And after that, gradually, I started saying that whatever you said was wrong. Gradually, I started raising my voice. And now I speak for myself. And I also see that people think that you are always available and your skills are free. Then I realized that if I keep giving everything for free, I will never get the value that I deserve. So in the name of friendship, I also experience that people always try to take advantage from you. So I just said no, it is not available for free. So once I started saying that it is not available for free, they actually started showing their actual face. So I tell people, just speak up for yourself. Don't think that you will lose your friend. What do you expect from your friend who is not thinking twice to disrespect you or to mock you? Decent means when you are not disrespectful towards others. But being tactful means you know when to speak for yourself and how to speak smartly. Avoiding argument can solve a problem temporarily. But I have seen people who constantly avoid arguments, they feel bad afterwards. They cannot forget the situation. So what is the point of avoiding argument? So if you really want to improve your self-esteem and want to be a confident person, speak up for yourself. Don't think that what people will think. Remember, when you are talking to someone, People around you also are watching you and observing you. And the way you allow people to treat you, they also start treating you the same way. Be cautious when someone is mocking you or disrespecting you. So, whenever someone is mocking you or disrespecting you, without thinking, draw borders and say, if you continue talking to me like this, I have to stop talking to you, because without any condition, you are not going to get any solution. And start saying no to the people who always want to take advantage from you, and don't feel guilty. And when you are busy and doing your work, say no, that I'm busy and I have to do my work. Saying no, don't feel guilty and don't give any explanation to people, because it is your life and you are not bound to give explanation to anyone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.